Hello, my dear friends. How are you today? I'm O.S.B heat pump factory Peggy. And lately, we got a lot of hotel pool heat pump projects. And let us show you the installation pictures. So, as you can see, there are total 7 units, 15 kW for heating a big pool of one hotel project. And now we do have the sample here to show you more details. So here is the sample for this mantle swimming pool heat pump. So you can see it is a white galvanized steel shell with top fan design. And under our OEM and ODM service, stainless steel casing or customized design is welcome. And also we will use the stainless steel 304 screws to ensure good rusting free. And about this model, we can share you the technical data. So this is the 15 kW heating capacity, and it is high COP up to 5.2. And the operating range here, it is minus 7 degrees to maximum 43 degrees. And it used a titanium heat exchanger in PVC shell. And the free phase with 15 or 16 hertz are both available. And the water in or out specification to be 15 mm or 48.3 mm. And for stable running and the long service life for our pool heat pump, we use the famous Daniel or Copeland compressor. So if you are interested in our commercial pool heat pump, so please feel free to contact us right now. See you next time. Bye.